powder coated.
Look down here, you want to stay?
Check out the other side. What'd you buy? What'd you buy? It's good, bro. Hello. Got the camera.
Just for myself.
Good, stretch it.
We'll give it to the first customer if it's scratched.
Wait, stretch it. Where am I going?
Put the bottom here for now, and put the top against here. You know what I mean? And then just grab that other bit and cut that off, and then just take all that shit off.
I was thinking I carry it, you put the milliman in, and then I'll come under. You know what I mean?
It's not that bad.
Is it?
No.
How am I going to get under there? Oh, I'm doing it.
It's not.
Oh,
What the fuck is going on?
bro, half of Talangi is still under here. It's not lining up. You see what I mean? Put it in.
Yeah, pass. Pass.
Oh, hold it. Oh, you put it on this side.
Did we? Oh, we go. Just keep holding it. Go up again.
Oh, the angle thing.
I think just the angle.
Because the angle, that's all.
I reckon the other one is easier though. Trying to get the ball out.
This shit is a freaking earth monster. Size of my fucking wrist and fucking throat. Look at that shit. Bigger than your fucking head. Girthy cock.
Otherwise, why you? The ball. Look at the ball. Hey, like, I'll do this. I'll do
But
this.
look at what Makasi shit!
Assess.
Alright?
Hey, due to technical difficulties, we're back.
Yeah.
Side of that bar. Oh, it's such a tight fit. Yep,
Alright, I'm good there.
that's the one.
Do you know what you're looking for?
Zip tie. This is false on the top, right?
No.
Wait, this one. That's fifth! Sorry. You just said last draw. We did like two. We got
If I want to be different, I want to increase my steps for the day.
What are you doing, man?
Can't take a fucking serious video without you, bro.
God, man. Back in, you see Tulagi there? High country there? Fuck me.
Fuck.
This side for sure,
Maybe
cunt.
just 2 weeks ago.
He got bothered. Man, it's so clean.
The car doesn't get bugged.
Right, that side of the car's like 600,000 kilometers. This side's like 100.
Cross it, yeah, cross it. Yeah, I'll jump under now.
Oh.
Alright, I'll go the back again.
I'll give you the back door.
Okay.
Wait, my hand's stuck.
The fake grass is floor mats for me.
How are you doing this, mate? You're doing it hard.
Wait. Okay, ready?
Is there
Yeah, leave it there.
I need it ready.
Oh. We got minions, man.
What are you trying to do?
He called you a minion.
Yeah, no, he's rude. By the way.
I'm sleeping the couch tonight.
I'm
Lucky.
doing the hard one.
And I get the nutter, No, keep spinning it. Keep spinning it the right side.
And you get the donut. That's right. I knew we could get that.
Hello. Why do you look like a grandpa? Yeah, tell him. Adara.
How much longer?
Shut up, cunt.
Is mum home?
I'm fucking doing this forever.
Keep going.
Dude, there's no way.
I'm not really.
I'm still going.
Let go, stop.
I swear he's not even holding the knife, he's just
I
making
think
me
he's fucking
fucking.
with you.
No,
It's harder.
it's hard enough now. It's hard enough.
It's been out the
Is
whole
it actually
time.
that hard? It does not feel hard at all.
Stop it. You're gonna make me kill the missus. See what I mean? Some more. I'm not fucking.
You.
What am I gonna do?
Oh, the fucking time.
I love how you're all in pain.
Is it 17 or 16? Go.
You better not be fucked. I swear, if you're fucking and you're not holding it. Are you holding
I'm
or
fucking
not?
holding it, bro. I want to get out of here and take photos. We're losing light.
You're actually holding it.
But I'm holding this. The next nut I'm holding is yours, man.
Yeah, that's not
Whiny
enough.
bitch.
We'll do this one now.
And band talks.
Yeah.
Move.
It's too hard to get, remember? You have to go like this. Yeah, you hold left. You hold right hand. You hold right hand, right hand. You hold the fuck! Fuck! Okay, that's how.
Fuck it.
Hey, look, right on the yellow mark.
Huh?
Right on the yellow mark.
I told you that.
Oh, okay, let's get out of here.
Wait, let me camera time.
No, it won't. It literally won't take you out long at all. You just get lazy. They don't want to see how good this looks like. They don't give a fuck.
Fuck you. I reckon one of these.
The entire planning.
No. I'm not a speaky guy.
Okay.
I'm just the metal welding guy.
Okay, cool. Never mind.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Alright, so first day at the DWF factory. So we've done a checkup on all the rock sliders. They're looking pretty good. I've took some photos. Hopefully it's pretty good. Here they are. Now we're officially taking the new rock sliders off that we used with the photos. Cleaning them up. I'm fucking blind now. Okay, so potentially doing up the powder coating again. Oh, just cleaning it up, right? Can't be selling them away like that. Perentie seems to be doing well, the snorkels. Product number 2. But that's still in the works. So, looking pretty good. Oh.
Let's go.
Sleeps for the week, huh?
Oh, yes.
Sleeps for the week, let's go. You got the Spanish? Let's go, no touch video. Why did you just do that? And this will go right here.
What was that?
So you tighten it, the seals are down.
Yeah.
It'll be, imagine it all satin black. And plus that seal at the bottom.
Fucking sell this gear like 2K.
Do you want to hold it or do you want to do what we did last time? I hold it. One person go here, one person go here. We can do it a bit.
Oh, this one. The round thing.
This guy Milwaukee is fucking gold.
Could be.
Can you imagine I actually smacked my
It
head?
would have been like Simpsons, bro.
You tighten it, pull the bottom piece up.
That's
And you got the rubber around here.
But I fucked up some of these holes. So this was a prototype, the bottom one. Was a prototype.
The bottom bit is prototype. This one.
Wow. Oh, what have you lost?
Damn, yeah, is that your standards? Too many holes?
Oh yeah. No extra holes.
How do you get told to?
Huh?
How do you get told to?
Yes, you just let me show you.
That was so impressive.
Oh, well.
Impressive.
It's like so impressive.
I can't believe I stayed away.
Oh, fuck up. I'm not a machine, okay?
I don't know, you get the gist of
You
it.
get the gist of it, and then what's the mount? This is what I'm kind of scared about. Okay, cool.
Oh,
Wait, the thing inside is the bolt from the outside?
I'm inside.
No, but is the bolt to there?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is scary. It's not on you right now, but
This guy's fiending, bro.
I need to rip on computers. This was hard.
Okay, now?
Down.
Yeah. Yeah. Push down as hard as you can.
Yeah.
This thing is crazy, bro.
Don't say anything too late. This bolt's hard to get in. Easy?
Actually, guys, I want my snorkel on the other side.
Oh.
Someone can play for it.
Yeah, he fucked up the plate. He used that one. But yeah.
I want a Bluetooth snorkel over there.
And then you get the idea.
Yeah,
The
nah,
rest
it
is
looks sick, boys.
polish this up. But yeah, the mounting's sick. The
Oh
mounting,
yeah, the mounting is fucking
Just, hey, we just gotta.
tighten all the rest.
It lines up. Does it line up
Yeah.
with the windscreen?
Fucking iPhone, man.
Does it line up
Did you
this
want
side?
it? Did you want a short?
You have to buy
Hey.
hoses and shit.
Wrapping up the day after taking
Yeah,
some
literally
content for
just give you that.
DWF and
Hey,
Riddy's
1200 winning, bro.
fabrication project.
And then the other one.
Project number
I
2.
don't want to be in the camera.
You have to be.
Oh, next year you need to go to
I thought you went Indian.
Pretty, like 600 there. That obviously, that always stays the same. That's the only bend you cut, and that one obviously you'll have to cut as well. It's fucking easy.
And this will be like cut these.
I'm gonna make sure 19. That's gonna go up. Because from here, from this weld here, tell me when it's 90. I've got it here. I actually used to do this weld.
Oh, you passed me that one?
Yeah, I was gonna do that.
Oh, sorry. Hey, what's the cut, man?
Yeah. The dog shit.
This cut's got a mask on.
I'm just not looking over there, I'm looking through my screen.
Now make sure this is good first. Alright. Just do a tack on that edge there. Yeah? Well, I'll stick this out a bit more, it'll be easier. Don't move that, don't move that. Then it's not gonna work.
Just press it and then.
Literally just full foot down on that. Full foot down on your right foot. And then wait until it gets hot and then add this.
How do you know it's hot?
You'll see it melt. Here, wear this one, that one's ours. That one's so dog shit. That one is the dog balls.
That's the spectator one.
Yeah. Don't move that trigger.
Everything in this.
Don't move that trigger, yeah?
This side?
It doesn't.
Bro, no gloves? What a raw
You don't
dog.
need gloves. King Cats is a myth.
Cancer's a myth.
It is. What am I hearing right now?
How do I stop? Alright,
This guy does some cool shit.
this isn't for me.
Have a look at this guy.
Just give me Mig,
I
bro.
don't know how you would record it.
Mig's a.
Tell me when you want me to stop.